तो 20 में से कम 15 क्वेश्चन तो ऐसे होंगे जो यूनिक होंगे। तो आपको क्या करना चाहिए, उन 15 क्वेश्चंस का लिस्ट बना लेना चाहिए कि मैंने इनसे ये पूछा था, अच्छा ये मुझसे भी पूछा जा सकता है, मतलब आपसे भी पूछा जा सकता है, ठीक है। तो इसलिए उससे क्या होगा कि आपको एक कॉन्फिडेंस मिल जाएगा कि हाँ अगर इस तरह के क्वेश्चन पूछा गया तो मेरे पास आंसर क्या होगा, ठीक है। तो सभी लोग कागज़ पेन अपने पास रखो। जब भी मैं क्वेश्चन ऑलरेडी मैं रिकॉर्डिंग दूंगा इसका, लेकिन लिखने का एक अलग मज़ा है। कागज़ पेन से अगर आप लिखते हो तो यू विल गेट मोर कॉन्फिडेंस, आपको काफ़ी मदद मिलेगी और उसके बाद आप अच्छा डेफिनेटली परफॉर्म कर सकते हो, ठीक है। तो चलो स्टार्ट करते हैं वन बाय वन। लेट्स डिस्कस कि हाउ मच यू प्रिपेयर इन BIM, जो भी आप लोग अभी पढ़ रहे हो, ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ दैट, ठीक है। सबने लेक्चर 8 तक तो वॉच ही कर लिया होगा, आई नो, ठीक है। इट्स नॉट लाइक कि कोई नहीं किया होगा, ठीक है। चलो विल स्टार्ट विद चिराग। आफ्टर चिराग हर्षिता। चिराग, आर यू रेडी?
Yes, sir.
Okay, great. Chirag, introduce yourself.
Hello, sir. Myself Chirag Puri. I'm currently from Shada, Maharashtra. Right now, I'm living in Pune. I have completed my BE in Civil Engineering from Rajashri Shahu College of Engineering and my ME in Construction Management from Imperial College of Engineering, JSPM Wagul. And I'm currently working in a HI department in Vilas Javadekar Construction.
Okay, what's your job responsibilities over there?
Actually, we have to check is a related to home inspection. So we have to check flat. Uh, According to we can provide a report what is problem in flat or anything
Okay.
related to that flat.
Old buildings or new constructions?
New construction, sir.
Okay, so
Before possession.
what are the types, like suppose ceiling issues and like this, railing issues?
Yeah. Any related about doors, window,
Okay.
or anything paint touch up required, or
Okay.
grouting is not done perfectly, or tile is broken, or anything related to that.
Okay. Okay. So that our checkings you did before position, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So after that you report and according to that they reconstruct that, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes.
Great. Great. Chirag, why want to came in BIM?
Actually, sir, I want to change my field because there is no anything new learning in that. I'm doing that same thing repeatedly. I want to come in a core field or anything related to that sky. Uh, that the job can provide me a certain amount of time. In side field, you don't have any time related for your family or other things. In BIM, you can get that time, and it is a new technology which our society is evolving. So we need to cope up with the new world. BIM is a good opportunity for that.
Basically, you want to explore yourself as much as possible, right?
Yes, sir.
Great. Uh, Chirag, how many lectures you completed in AutoCAD?
8 lectures.
8 lectures. What do you learn in lecture number 8?
Lecture number 8, isometric about the one drawing you give us about homework.
Correct.
Yeah.
Great. So that you learn, right?
Yes, sir.
What is the shortcut key for ortho command in AutoCAD?
Uh, Function 8, F8 or O.
F8. And what is the shortcut key for copy command?
CO.
Okay. There are some types of circles in AutoCAD. What are the names?
10, 10, 10, 10, 10, 10, 10 radius, center radius, center diameter, and one more. Is,
Okay.
don't know, sir. Any.
Okay, Rasho. Difference between line and polyline.
Uh, when we construct line, if we add another line, first we construct one line and then we choose another line command. Uh, this is not connected to each other. So for polyline is completely connected. It is when we select one polyline, it select all other lines included with it.
Okay. Chirag, why should I hire you?
Sir, so I am a very focused person, and I'd like to give my 100% to any given task, and I like to perform the task in very good manner, or which can be completed within given time work limit. So this will be very benefit for your company or your firm,
Very good.
I can say.
Good. Very clear answer. Great. Good. Chirag, just wait. I'll just give you feedback later. This was excellent.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Okay. Now come with Harshita. And after that, this Vaswaraj next. Harshita, are you available?
Good evening, sir.
Good evening. Harshita, introduce yourself.
I'm Harshita Rustgi. I've done my diploma in year 2016 from Delhi. I've had three years of experience. I've started with Textile, that is a small steel detailing company in which I've used Tekla software. I've worked there for a very few months. After that, I joined an MNC named Flo Daniel, where I worked for like 1+ year. After that, I took some break due to some personal reason. I wanted to pursue something. It's been almost a year. I've joined another firm named Shiv Engineering, where we basically used AutoCAD 2D. So that's been my journey.
Okay. Great. Now, right now you're planning to switch in BIM, right?
Yeah, definitely.
Okay, great. So, where are you currently living? In Pune?
No, I'm born and brought up in Delhi, and even currently living in Delhi.
Okay, in Delhi only. And you're looking for job in Delhi and Gurgaon only, right?
No, that's not, I would say, because my current company is from Gujarat. When I joined this firm, there was COVID, so they were doing work from home. They
So
even
you're,
proposed a plan that after COVID we can join Gujarat. So
okay,
that's
you're
not.
comfortable for Pan India, right?
Yeah,
Okay,
definitely.
great. Arshita, right now you're learning the AutoCAD as well as you know about RERA also, right?
Yeah.
So what do you know about RERA? Can you explain?
Uh, RERA is basically Real Estate Regulation and Development Act, passed in 2016. It helps both the parties, that as well as developer and as well as the home buyers. Firstly, it provides a very important job, that is to classify the builders, because there's been a lot of cases of cheating and everything in this uh, home buying
Correct.
thing. So this provides a very clear platform. Uh, sorry, it has various mm,
Okay, no.
subjectives which it proposed for like in favor of both the parties.
Okay, in which year it is passed in Lok Sabha?
It was passed in Lok Sabha on 15th of March in 2016.
2016. In how many states it's they are following the rules?
It's like 19 states plus UTs. It has been
Correct.
proposed.
Correct. Okay. So what do you understand by built-up area and carpet area?
Okay, so the built-up area is overall area. Sorry, sir, I'm not sure about it.
Okay, no issue. Okay, can you tell me there are some types of ellipse in AutoCAD? Can you list the name? Ellipse.
There are three types of ellipse. Number one is axis end, where we provide axis and the end radius, and sorry, sir, I could not read.
Who is your ideal persons?
Sir, as in like a part of like in the industry or like
Anyway,
in personal life, sir, it's my B. It's my elder sister.
your elder sisters. Great. Okay, so what's your aim, Harshita?
Actually, I have to make her proud very firstly, because she has put so much effort in building my future, and also as I'm pursuing BEAM, the first one would be definitely to be a BIM manager. Apart that, I want to learn as much as software there are available for a person to learn, because I want to make a career into that. So that's the
Okay,
main.
great. Very clear answers. That's good, and your communication is also okay and good qualities. Okay, great, Harshita. Okay, thank you. Now
Thank
come with Vaswaraj.
हेलो
आप
सर.
लोगों को एक दूसरे से लर्निंग भी लेनी है. ओके, वंशराज, Introduce yourself, bro.
Hello.
Yes. Introduce yourself.
Yes, sir. Thanks for the opportunity to introduce myself, sir. I am Basavaraj Bellihar, sir. I am from Dharwad. Presently working as a quality control engineer in Amin Boy and Hegde Consulting Engineers Private Limited, sir. I have completed my high school and intermediate in my hometown, Unwan, in Karnataka, sir. After that, I have completed my Bachelor's of Engineering in Civil Engineering specialization from in 2019 from Rural Engineering College, Vilkoti, Karnataka, sir. After that, I joined. I lost 1 year due to COVID, and I joined the company in 2021. And I worked as a quality control engineer, sir. And coming to my family background, my father is a farmer, sir. I have one younger brother, and my mother is a housewife. So that's all about myself.
Okay, great. Vaswaraj, your pass out year?
2019, sir.
2019.
19.
And after that, you joined that quality related one, right?
Yes, sir. 1 year I lost in lockdown, sir.
Okay.
Next second lockdown, I got a job, sir.
Okay, great.
After that.
So what's your job responsibilities over this?
In my work, sir, I need to do the quality checks on some materials, sir, building materials like aggregates, cement, sand, and soil.
Okay.
Like that, we need to test the material, and we need to ready the reports, and we need to furnish them to the clients, sir.
Okay. So why you want to came in BIM?
Because as of now, I see my due to lack of career growth in this field, sir.
Okay.
For that reason, I want to switch to other field.
Okay.
But my friends go to IT, sir, but I am not interested in IT field.
Okay.
For that reason, I searched in somewhat related to my field. I want to continue in my civil field only. For that reason only, I searched and which course if I did which career I choose that so that I can enhance my skills and knowledge. Sir.
Great.
For that reason, I choose the BIM. Sir.
Okay. So don't say about friends. Okay, it's not here. Friends is not a matter for us, no? If you are in interview, so it's not required. As you said, like that was wrong. Like I just saw the career goals. You can say about that. Okay, you can say I have done my jobs in qualities, and I think I have appropriate knowledge about quality checks. Okay, now I want to enhance my knowledge in BIM sectors. As the boosting of the careers, I can see the there is a lots of opportunities in BIM. So I thought here I can learn a lot. So that's why I just try to switch from quality to that. ठीक है, so I have appropriate knowledge. मुझे कोई problem नहीं है उस प्रोफाइल से, ऐसा बोलना है. Okay, because you need to respect your current profile, right?
Sir.
Okay, sometimes students came in like when I was in company. So one of our colleagues came in company, and I just say कि why you want to left your job? I was interviewer over there. So I just say कि why you want to left from side job and you want to came in BIM. So he said, sir, there was a very hectic job in sites. That's why I want to switch. So I said, if I'll give you in the BIM the hectic jobs, so you will think the same. Getting my point?
Yes, I'm getting the point.
So that's not perfect. So you can say I have appropriate knowledge about these profiles. Now I want to learn more. So for that I just find that BIM the good sector for that. And also I find the passions in myself about the creativity. So that's why I am trying to switch. Okay. Okay, great. This is the answer not only for Vaswaraj. Everyone try to remember, and if you want, you can write down in papers also. Now, Vaswaraj, you completed your 8 lectures, right?
7 lectures. Sorry,
7.
I want to watch it yet.
Try to complete. Okay. Okay, and you learn their AutoCAD dimensions also, right?
Yes, sir.
There was one command quick. What was the use of that command?
Quick command, sir. If you have multiple rectangles, triangles, circles, if you need to give the quick dimension for that particular one, we can't go and for the single one, and we can't do the dimension because it will take long time. For that reason, we can use a quick command.
There was one more command. The name was ordinate, not coordinate. Ordinate. What is the use of ordinate?
Ordinate, sir. Ordinate we can use. Exactly, I don't know, sir, but I have used it.
Okay.
Exactly what is the function I don't know.
Okay, no, sure. So what is the shortcut key for construction line command?
Excel, sir.
Excel.
Ah.
Okay. There was a two commands, construction line and ray. What was the difference both?
Construction release is infinity in from both sides, sir, both positive and negative, and ray is only for the one direction, sir.
Very good.
It may
Why
be
should I
direction
hire
positive.
you? Why should I hire you?
Because I have a good knowledge of knowledge, sir. I have a good skills, so that I can enhance that skills in your company and care for that for both company and me to grow more. It will be I will enhance my skills and knowledge. For that reason, you will going to be a best one of the best asset for your company. I will be that.
Great, very good. What's your salary expectations?
Salary expectation. As of now, I'm fresher to BIM. I don't have any fixed term in my answer. If you, it was like a, yeah, you can check my skills and knowledge. Based on that, you can prefer.
Don't use this fresher word. Everyone, don't use this fresher word. Just you can say, ki, as of now, salary is not a priority for me. I want to enhance more as much as possible. Okay, so you can just say, ki, as of now, salary is not important for me because I want to learn more about BIMs. I have done my internship of 4 months. ऐसे बोल सकते हो ना, इंटरव्यूअर को तो ऐसे बताना है आपको, right? So you can't say कि I am fresher. You are not fresher because you have done your internship of 4 months.
Yes, sir.
Okay, that is okay. Okay, great, Suraj. Right, nice answers, and your communication is also good. Good.
Okay, sir.
Now,
Thank you.
okay. After that, Karthik, and after Karthik, we come with Kedar. Yes, Karthik.
Hello sir, my name is Karthik Kubarkar. I am from Nagpur, Maharashtra. I complete my BE in civil engineering in 2017. From them I am working as a civil engineer. First year I work as a site engineer from 2017 to 18, and from after that I take a gap for 4 months, and from February 2019 to till present I am working as a civil structural engineer in BIM Engineers, Nagpur.
Great.
That's it, sir.
Why one came from structures to BIM?
Sir, right now as I am working as a civil structure engineer, where I design the structure with complete design report and drafting of to sheet in AutoCAD 2D.
Correct.
So I want to complete.
It's okay. Continue. You can say कि I want to explore more. So I think BIM is a good sector where I can utilize my skills for 3D as well as 3D detailings. For 3D detailings, this type of answer you can do.
Okay, sir.
Okay, no issue. I'll just tell you the right answer for you. Okay, let us. I'll just tell you that. Now, Karthik, you done your like you're doing the structure engineering jobs, right? So, what is your job responsibilities over there, as you mentioned here? But I want to know in briefs.
Yes, sir. Sir, my job responsibility is I am a assistant to senior structure engineer, where all design decision which will take by senior engineer. I assist them in small designing, just like building design, small water retaining structure, and drafting of sheets, and preparing design reports and calculating the load required to design. That's my job, sir.
Okay. How to calculate brick load?
Sir, brick load is we take it as 20 kilonewton per meter, and as per thickness into that density, we can calculate the brick load per meter.
Thickness into where density. After that, include the beam height, na? Wall height.
Okay, yes, sir. Height into thickness.
Okay, generally what you load preferred for your structures? Approx.
Yes, sir.
Approx how much load it came if you calculate with 20?
20, sir. It depends on height, sir. Height and the thickness.
Suppose,
if we take
generally 3 meters height.
It's 3 meter height and thickness is 230 mm.
Okay. Why we provide self weight in the structures?
Yes, sir.
Self weight. We provide the self weight, na?
Yes, sir.
Why we provide the self weight in structures?
So self weight is considered as a dead load of structure.
Okay. Which IS code we use for dead load?
Sir, IS 800. Sorry, 875.
You are working the same profile, you can't say like this. So which IS code we use for ductile detailings?
Sir, SP16. No, sir, ductile detailing 13. IS 13.
If someone came in interview and he is good in structures also, okay, they can ask the question like this, what I am asking, okay, because I am good in that both, so I can ask, no. So okay, no issue. What is standard A3 paper size?
What is standard? Sir?
A3 paper size.
A3 paper size.
Hmm.
It means width and height. Are you asking?
Yeah, definitely.
If standard size, sir, I never observed that.
Okay, in BIM they ask a question like this. Okay, I'll teach you that. I was just trying to check because you're working right now. If you're fresher, I can't ask the questions, but if you're experienced, I can ask. Okay, Kedar, so sorry, Karthik, what is the shortcut key for dynamic input command?
Dynamic input command, sir, F9.
Sure.
Yes, sir.
Okay. What are the types of array in AutoCAD?
Type circular array, path array, circular array, path array, and third one. But
Okay. What is the use of arrays?
what is the use of
Array.
array, sir? When we need to copy a certain object in lots of numbering, then we use a array in path array, and if we have to copy a object in a certain spherical path or circumference, then we use a polar array.
Why should
With
I hire
reference
you?
to sir,
Why should I? I think you're not prepared with HR questions, na?
yes.
Try to prepare, because in last lectures I just explained in brief what type of questions we can ask, na? Try to prepare. Okay, thank you so much, Karthik. This was nice, but you need to improve. Okay, come with Mr. Kedar. If anyone have possible, you can on the videos like Kedar. Very good, Kedar. Because here I can see the expressions, how you how much you confident for that. Kedar, what's your hobby?
My hobby is, sir, watching movies.
Watching movies. Last time which movie you watched?
Last movie I watched Kantara.
Kantara. What a fantastic movie. Who was the actor in that movie?
Rishabh Shetty, sir.
Okay, I was not aware with the actor, but I was that movie. That was excellent, na? Cultural movies.
Yes, sir.
Okay, great. And who was the director of that movie?
Rishabh Shetty is director, sir.
Okay, he was the director and he was the actor both.
He was actor also. He was a writer also. Director also.
Okay, means one person, one man army is that movie.
One man.
Oh, great. That was nice. And okay, only your one hobby you have, watching movies.
Watching movies also. And my one hobby is also reading about our cultural books like Bhagavad Gita, Quran,
Okay.
etc. In Marathi literature.
Okay, any sloks of Gita are you able to explain, or you able to just sing any sloks?
Yes, so
Any sloks you can just tell us ki, okay, this is the sloks like everyone can follow, because I used to with the Gita like I have right now, so I always try to prefer whenever I get the time. Even today also I read some sloks. Any sloks you know?
yes, sir. One popular श्लोक is यदा यदा हि धर्मस्य ग्लानिर्भवति भारत अभ्युत्थानम धर्मस्य युगे युगे. My Sanskrit is not so good, sir.
Okay, no issue. So that was your, because when this is your hobby means you must know about that in brief, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, okay, great. Now, Kedar, what's your strength? What are your strengths?
Sir, one of the best strengths is honesty to my work. When, what work you give me, sir, I do it with my 100% dedication to it, and I try to complete in the time limit you give.
Okay. What's your pass out year?
My pass out is 2019.
What was your project in your degree?
My project in degrees are on environment based. Name is sir. Solar steel is solar steel construction. Named
Solar
project.
panel?
Solar panel, no sir, solar no panel. So, distillation of water with help of solar steel. Like that project.
Okay. Try to know much about your projects because that is most important for you. Okay. For any interviewers, they are going to ask. Any technical skills you have?
Yes, sir. I have done my. Since last 1 year, I have a job like a site engineer.
As a site engineer, I'm asking about what any technical skills you have.
Like software.
Yeah.
I have basic knowledge of AutoCAD and Revit, sir.
What are the file formats in Revit?
RVT.
What are? There are 4 types of.
No, sir.
Okay.
I don't.
What is the file format of AutoCAD?
DWG.
.dwg. It's not DWG, it's .dwg. Okay, there are very much difference in both. Okay, tell me any 2 modify commands in AutoCAD.
One is offset command. One is copy command.
Okay, types of array in AutoCAD.
One is path array. One is circular array. And one is rectangular array.
Circular array.
Sorry, sir. Polar array.
Okay, types of array in Revit.
I don't know, sir.
Okay.
Revit, I used Revit in long time ago.
Okay.
I know about levels.
Okay. So it's better you can't mention. Don't mention here. If you mention here, so definitely interview going to ask na. Okay. I'm not asking with others na. I was not asking with Karthik or any others. When you just say ki I know this, that means ki interviewer must try to know about that ki you know, or you just know the like name. Okay. Kedar, what's your aim?
My aim is I do creative job. Where is creativity is the object, main aim. Like in BIM, BIM is evolving field. So I like to do a job which give me a creative job.
Okay, great. Kedar, what's your salary expectations?
I don't know how to answer this question, sir.
Okay, you can just say ki as per industry norms. As
Okay.
per industry norms. Now after that they can ask like, can you tell me in numbers? इंटरव्यू पूछ लेते हैं, क्या पूछ लेते हैं कि कैन यू टेल मी इन नंबर्स. तो यहाँ पर सिग्निफिकेंट करना पड़ेगा तुम्हें. डेफिनेटली उस कंपनी के बारे में तुम जान तो रहे ही हो, उस कंपनी से गो थ्रू तो रहोगे ना जिस कंपनी में इंटरव्यू देने आ रहे हो, राइट. तो जब नंबर से पूछा जाए तो वहाँ पर दिखना चाहिए कि अगर वो कंपनी एकदम स्टार्टअप कंपनी है, लाइक जस्ट स्टार्ट हुई है अभी कंपनी, यू कैन जस्ट से 15 to 20,000. जस्ट स्टार्ट कंपनी छोटी सी है, 2 एम्प्लॉय 3 एम्प्लॉय है. इफ दैट कंपनी इज मीडियम लेवल कंपनी मीन्स ठीक ठाक 25-30 एम्प्लॉय हैं, ओके, एट दैट टाइम यू कैन जस्ट से 20 to 25,000. tell in range. Okay, you can calculate in lakh also, it's up to you. And if you just saw ki, okay, the company is very big, that is MNC, you can just say more than 25,000. It may be 30, it may be 35. Okay, this is for the freshers. क्लियर है? जो मैं आंसर बता रहा हूँ ये फ्रेशर्स के हिसाब से बता रहा हूँ, जो बीम में फ्रेशर है। एक्सपीरियंस के लिए आंसर थोड़ा सा अलग हो जाता है। क्लियर है? ओके, ग्रेट। Okay, thank you so much, Kedar. This was nice talk with you. I just try to prepare some HR questions. I'll just teach you in 2 to 3 days how to give the answers. Okay, don't worry.
Okay.
Okay, great. Okay. Now after Kedar, we'll come with Kiran, and after Kiran, Lokesh. Kiran, are you audible right now? Kiran? I think Kiran is not audible. So we'll come with Lokesh. Lokesh, you can just on your mic, please.
Yes, sir. Good evening, sir.
Good evening, Lokesh. Lokesh, tell me something about yourself which is not mentioned in your resume.
Sir, I like to watch various kind of movies, superhero kind of movies. I love to watch these movies, and I also love to do trekking and other things.
Okay. So last time where you tracked?
Sir, at Harrier Fort near Nashik.
Harrier Fort. Okay. When you just go for trek, what you learn at that time?
Sir, it tells us various experiences that in some time you have to do something, just do it, because when I go for that trek, I was not know much about that fort, na? So that time when I go there, I saw that the steps of that fort was inclined at 80 or 85 degree. So trekking that fort in rainy season, it's very difficult. So I try and I do that trek with my friends. It's really amazing experience.
Great. So you learn a lot from there, right? So you like solo trekkings or you like group trekkings?
No, group trekking also and sometimes solo.
Oh, okay, great. Lokesh, which subject you like most in civil engineering?
Sir, basically talking most subject like I like survey, sir.
Survey. Okay, great. What type of survey we are using currently in our civil engineering?
Sir, basically we use total stations for our survey.
What is total stations? Can you
Sir,
explain?
it is an instrument that calculate the distances. Suppose we have to do survey of 1 and 2 point. So if we put our instrument at station A and point toward it, so the lasers that are fitted in that instrument, sir, that pass through instrument and go to the prism that we are kept at point B, and it gives a distance in its screen. And if we are doing big project, so while doing this project, we can also develop a file, so we can import this file in AutoCAD and do some work and complete a survey work.
Very good. What are your strengths,
Sir,
Lokesh?
talking about my strengths are I am a quick learner, goal-oriented person, able to work under pressure, discipline, and managing my time skillfully, and good team player. Because in my college time, I realized that, sir, कि while doing projects or participating in various events, I am good at working with my team members. So this thing.
How your quick learning skills is useful for my company?
Sir, if you want to something work completed for me and I have very little knowledge about that thing, so first of all I will try to learn this thing in very quick time, and I implement that thing so that I can complete your work in your deadline.
Very nice, very nice. What's your weakness, so Lokesh?
Sir, my weakness is to saying no to the people. Whenever someone asks me, I usually say yes to him. So I am trying to improving that, and so that I can improve my time and be productive also.
Recently, in which location you are?
Yes, sir.
In which location you staying right now?
Sir, I am from Nasik, Maharashtra.
Nashik. Okay. So you're looking for the job in Nashik or in Pan India?
No, in Pan India.
Okay, great. Thank you so much, Rakesh. This was nice interview with you.
Thank you,
Okay.
sir. It was nice talking to you.
Okay, great. People on the mic, please. And after people will come with Mayur. After Mayur, Pragya.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, people, introduce yourself.
Hi, I am Vipul Akesri. I done my diploma in civil engineering this year. I am a junior design engineer with 2 years of work experience. I work 3 different firms in designing: fire, architecture, landscape. I have experience in different types of building designs and MEP designs and GFC also. GFC, that's been good for construction. Yeah, and
Okay.
had
Just
the opportunity
yes,
to bring
continue.
yeah design and had the opportunity to bring crores worth of project design.
Okay. Can you just explain about your job responsibilities about the fire?
Fire.
Yes, you're doing the job in that fire regarding jobs, na?
Yeah, I currently am working on fire.
Okay, so just explain what's your job responsibilities over there.
I am a junior designer. My job responsibilities when projects are coming for company, then complete project completion on my hand. I need to design every fire design. In fire, 2 types of design. One is hydrant safety, and one is automatic. Automatic में we use sprinkler system, and hydrant में normally we use pipe and hydrant valve.
Correct. In automatic, there that work automatically whenever
Yeah.
anywhere. So, is as per temperature, na? I think.
No, as per not temperature. In India, as per budget.
But the rule is like what I was reading.
No, in India, not as per temperature. Everywhere, not as per temperature.
Okay.
Is according to building type. In fire, there are 3 types of 3 types of space: light building, ordinary building, and hazard building.
Correct.
Hard and hazard both. Yeah.
Okay. So according to that, they said the
Sprinkler distance, yeah.
Okay.
And sprinklers are 2 types: one pendant and upright. Pendant is used in below the ceiling, and upright used for above the ceiling.
Okay. And I was read that about that in when I was in working. So there was something that there are some types of alarms also.
Yeah.
Okay,
In
so-
fire,
yeah.
fire designing is two systems. One is fire designing, fire safety for sprinkler automatic system water part, and
Correct.
second is fire alarm system.
Yes.
That's another thing. But I design both,
Correct. Yes,
and I work in India as well as US project also.
correct. Very good. Okay. People, why want to came in BIM?
Yeah, because my background is civil engineering. The fire part is for money only, not for but I want to become a structural engineer. But I have 3-year time because I am pursuing my diploma BTech in 3 years. So I hear everyone ki when we complete my BTech, then I become a structural engineer. So my main goal is become a structural engineer and open my designing firm. But in 3 years, I want to explore BIM also. Because
You are in interview.
sorry.
So if you explain that I want to open my own, why should I hire you?
Yes, sir.
You will be my competitor, na?
Huh. Okay.
Got it?
Forgot this thing.
So if you are in interview, just try to think, okay, I can't say about that ki I want to open my own, because the time when you say like this, definitely they think, okay, we are going to fire him, because that's not possible ki if I'll just train
Competition.
someone and he will be my competitor, right?
Yeah.
Okay. People just tell me the types of array in AutoCAD, the same question.
3 types of array:
Okay, the name.
polar array, path array, and rectangular array.
What is the shortcut key for construction line command?
Excel enter.
Okay, and there are some types of Ellipse in AutoCAD.
Yeah,
Can
three
you give
types of ellipse.
name?
The first one is center,
Hmm.
arc, and
And
first one is circle, arc, and third one is, I think, ellipse arc.
elliptical arc.
Yeah, elliptical arc.
Okay. What is built-up area?
Carpet area plus outer wall, that's called build-up area. A carpet area, that's mean net usable area plus inner wall.
Okay. How to calculate FSI?
FSI, that's everywhere is given FAR ratio. So we need to first we need to calculate whatever our project plot area. Then we need to divide with our constructed area.
Okay. What is control line?
Control line. Sorry, sir, I did not. I know contour line.
You know, this is control line, that is different. Okay. People, what's your selling expectations?
30 to 40 K.
30 to 40 thousands, right?
Yeah, month per month.
Okay. People, where you want to see yourself in next 5 years?
In a manager post in designing field.
Any reputed companies?
Yeah, India both. India, yes, I'm comfort.
Any reputed company?
Any reputed company.
Okay, thank you so much, people. This was nice. Try to enhance your HR questions more. Okay, it will be helpful for you both.
Yeah, sir.
Great. Now come with Mr. After that Mayur, and after Mayur, Pragya. Mayur, on your mic, please. Mayur, are you audible now? I think he is not right now. So we'll come with Pragya. Pragya, are you comfortable right now?
Yes, sir.
Okay, great. Pragya, this is your hectic time for you?
No, sir. This is the peaceful time.
Okay, this is the peaceful time, because when I was in job, I recall my times. So the time is like this time approx, like we are very tired, because when you just came with whole day hectic schedules, maybe your schedule is not that much hectic. It maybe. Okay.
Sometimes it's hectic, but usually 6:30 I leave from office.
Okay.
So yeah, I.
Okay. Pragya, just introduce yourself.
Hello, sir. My name is Pragya Rangoda, and I'm from Odisha, Bhubaneswar. Right now, I'm working in Anyway project as a design engineer, and that's it.
Okay. What are your job responsibilities over there?
To fit a specific in a certain area, I have to fit it. Depend upon the capacity of the STP, I have to fit the tanks in that.
Okay. So try to know more job. Try to write down by yourself also some more job responsibilities. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Because your next package will decide on your current job responsibilities. Okay?
Yes, sir.
So if suppose you have job responsibilities 1, okay. So it maybe your salary will be reduced. If your job responsibility is 5, you will get more, 10 more.
Yeah.
Got it?
Okay.
Because when you just saw your managers, like any companies, their job responsibilities are big. That's why they are getting the good package, no? Okay, so try to prepare that. And what's your hobbies, Pragya?
My hobbies watching movies and playing games, outdoor games, swimming.
What type of games you like most in outdoor?
Badminton.
What is the standard badminton court size?
That and all, I don't know, sir.
No, don't say. If this is your hobby means what? Everyone hobby is different. Hobbies means you know much deeper as compared to your job also. Right?
Yes, sir.
Then only that is your job. Okay, if your job like any others, So try to know. If suppose your hobby is swimming, I don't know much about swimming, that's why I'm not asking the questions. Maybe the persons who know about swimming, they can ask in deep, na? Means how much
Yes,
length and how
definitely.
much width you can, in how many minutes you can complete all the things. Great. And what are the what are the technical skills you have?
I have only AutoCAD 2D and yeah, just MS Excel and Words and PowerPoint and all.
Okay. What is the file format of AutoCAD?
5?
File format of AutoCAD. File format. File format in the sense ki like .ppt,
Okay, DRW,
DW,
R,
DWG,
G, yes.
.dwg. Okay. And
Yeah.
who was the founder of AutoCAD?
John.
Yes.
Sorry, I can't recall
Okay.
right now the name.
Okay. Try to recall that. Try to watch the previous
Mm.
lectures. Recordings are available. Just
Yeah,
go through
yeah.
with that. Okay.
Yes, sir.
And everyone completed their 8 lectures, so you can complete your 8 lectures by series. Okay, it will be helpful for
Okay.
you.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you so much,
Okay.
Pragya. Try to improve. We want next
Yes,
interviews
sir.
much better. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. Thank you so much.
Okay. Now come with Pranay Kadam, and after that Amish. Pranay, are you available now?
Hello, sir.
Hello.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening. Pranay, tell me something about yourself which is not mentioned in your resume.
Uh, Good evening, sir. Thank you for giving me this opportunity to introduce myself. Uh, uh, I'm done recently. Uh,
Continue.
yes. Uh, Recently I resigned from my site engineer job because of I'm doing their repetitive work, and I want to change my field. And recently, I watch unique civil videos about BIM. So I want to get in that BIM field. So I am enrolled to that course in unique civil. Yes.
Okay. Pranay, like for everyone, just think why repetitive work you don't like.
Yes, sir.
Why don't like repetitive works?
Because there is no creativity, sir. Same work we are doing continuously.
But as per the times, you will get the more perfections also.
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
more perfections also. But yes, definitely, if that is totally the same process, it may be right.
Yes, sir.
Pranay, any technical skills you have?
Yes, sir. I have technical skills site execution because I am working as a site engineer.
Okay. So,
Yes.
what was the job responsibilities in your last job?
Sir, all material reports, maintaining daily progress report maintaining, and execution of work means starter checking, column checking, and all site execution work all.
Okay.
Uh,
And what's your pass out year?
Pass out year is 2020.
2020.
Yeah.
What was your project in your college?
My project is
What's your
yeah.
project? You forget about the project?
No, sir. Because there was.
You're not prepared for that question, right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, no issue. What are your strengths?
Uh, my strengths are I am a responsible person and positive person, sir.
Okay, correct.
Yes.
How your positivity help for our companies if I hire you?
Uh, uh, I am positive person That's why I can handle any critical situation uh,
Like,
in your company, sir. Like in a short time of period, doing lots of work, so I can handle that.
correct.
Yeah.
Pranay, where you want to see yourself in next 5 years?
Sir, I want to I want to see next 5 years as a achieving good position in reputed company as a BIM manager.
Last question from you. What is civil engineering?
What is civil engineering? Yes, sir. It is all about the construction, sir. Construction site execution and building the different structures like infrastructure, residential building, commercial. Yes, it's all about that, sir.
Okay, great. Last one more questions from you. What's your weaknesses?
Yes, my weakness is, sir, I am very emotional person. I can trust anyone easily. So, sometimes people uh, consider me.
Okay, people's used you, right?
Yes, yes, sir.
Okay, great. Thank you so much, Pranay. This was nice talking with you,
Thank you.
but just try to enhance your more answers, right? Like your
Yes,
projects related, because everyone is going to ask the questions regarding projects.
yes, sir. Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay, okay. Now come with Sandeep, and after Sandeep, we'll come with Kiran, and then Ramij. Sandeep,
Good evening, sir.
good evening, good evening. Your current job is continuing, right, Sandeep?
Yes, yes, yes.
Great. So, what are your job responsibilities in your current job, Sandeep?
My job responsibility, I am doing job as a technical design engineer in Mupur, India. My job responsibilities are to reviewing the we have what we input received. On the basis of that, I have to support the MEP support, modular supports to give the MEP and provide the proper solutions to enhance their quality for long-lasting the supports. By using in-house Mupro software, and sometimes we use also Excel and AutoCAD also in my job.
Okay, great. Whenever you just say why I'm asking the again and again job responsibilities, these job responsibilities decide about your package, about your knowledge, right?
Yes.
बिकॉज जो काम तुम डेली कर रहे हो, अगर वो रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी है, मतलब रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी वही होगी ना, दैट मीन यू आर परफेक्ट इन दैट थिंग्स, राइट? Suppose my job responsibility is to ride the bikes. That means I'm definitely perfect in bikes riding because this is my job responsibilities. So try to enhance as much as possible new points in your job responsibilities. Okay? अभी तो हमने ज़्यादा सीखा नहीं है. आगे हमको क्या करना है? Try to enhance. Sometimes you can just say कि sometimes I need to model the 3Ds if they required, if they are not able to understand. So clearly I need to create the 3D so that they can understand well. ठीक है. अब मुझे क्या लग गया, संदीप को 3D मॉडलिंग अच्छे से आती है क्योंकि इसको एक्सप्लेन करना पड़ता होगा ना बार बार. Got it? So try to enhance as much as your job responsibilities. Now Sandeep, what's your hobby?
My hobbies are to watch movies and go for traveling by bike.
Or go for traveling by bikes. Great.
Yes.
Last time where you traveled?
Last time I traveled to Torna Fort near in Pune.
Torna Fort, yes.
Yes.
How long from Pune?
It's near about 60.
60 kilometers. Great. So why Torna Fort is famous? Just tell us the short introductions.
Yes, sir. Torna Fort is the first fort which is victory by Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj, and start their Swarajya by that victory of fort.
Okay, great. Thank you so much for the histories. Now Sandeep, what are your strengths?
My strengths are I am honest to my job and responsible person and disciplined and also quick learner. I am.
Quick learners.
Yes.
And what was your pass out year, Sandeep?
My pass out year is 2021.
2021. So what was your project in college?
My project in college was the design of formwork by using Excel of a residential building, G+1.
Okay. What hardest things you did in your careers?
My hardest thing what did I in my career was that I was doing job as a site engineer in Kalyani infrastructure, Ranjangaon, Pune, that I have left, and that job I have left because that I have a lot of pressure on me. So I left that, and that decision was for me the toughest decision in my life, and I took that decision, and I feel very good and proud for myself by taking that decision.
Great. I think that time only you met with me, no?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
That was the time, right?
Yeah.
Okay, great. Sandeep, what was your biggest achievements in your professional careers?
My biggest achievement in my professional career is as a design engineer in Mukro, India, that I have ranked by quarterly in my company that I am the number one person which are completed number of big projects.
Okay.
That time I have completed 73 projects, and that's a lot of projects what I completed.
Very good, very good. Okay, what's your aim, Sandeep?
My aim is to My first personal aim is to live a happily and healthy lifestyle, and my professional aim is to gain a very good rank as a BIM manager in reputed firm.
You can say in the two parts. You can say कि my short-term goal is I want to do the good jobs, and my long-term goal is I want to this may be your answer what you said. My long-term goal is I want to get the happiness. I want to do the hard work for my satisfaction. It may be right. So you can just divide in two parts: short-term and long-term.
Yes.
Okay. Sandeep, what are the the Revit also, right?
Yes, I know the basics of Revit.
Okay, what are the types of array in Revit?
Array in Revit, I am not confirmed, but I think so. Rectangular array and polar array.
Okay. What is the file format of Excel?
Excel file format is .exl.
.exl. Okay, and what is the file format of AutoCAD?
AutoCAD file format is .dwg.
.dwg. What is the use of reassociate command in AutoCAD dimensions?
I don't know, sir.
How to create datum points in AutoCAD?
We can create datum points by using the coordinate command.
Okay, how many lectures you watched in AutoCAD?
Total 8 lectures I have watched.
Okay, very good. Thank you so much, Sandeep. This was nice to talk with you, and I think good improvement. But you must do more.
Yes, sir. Thank you.
Okay, great. Okay. Now come with who's ready after that? Sandesh. No. First of all, Kiran. After Kiran, Ramesh, and then Sandesh. Ramesh, are you comfortable now? Hello. Ramesh, are you audible?
Yes, sir.
Okay, great. Ramesh, introduce yourself.
Sir, my name is Ramesh Raja. I basically from Bihar. I lived at Siwan district, and I completed my BTech from Macau University. I passed year 2018. Then I 1 year preparing from services exam. Then I left the preparation. Then I joined to the survey engineering working, and that I left my job. Then I joined to the BIM.
Okay. Ramesh, how many like communication lectures you attend?
Sir, 6.
Every day you are attending the lectures?
Yes, sir. Every day.
Also you're trying to speak in the lectures?
Yes, sir.
Because you need more communication knowledge. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Communication skills you need, because if you want to get the higher package, definitely it's up to your communication only. Okay. And in BIM, everyone remember, in BIM, if you don't have a excellent skills, you can't get the MNCs, and if you don't get the MNCs, definitely you can't get the package.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Ramesh, so your pass out year is 18.
Yes, sir. 2018.
18, and after that you done your survey jobs, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. What was your project in your college?
Sir, I have no project in my college.
No project?
No.
Why?
But sir, group में मिलकर करते थे लोग.
Yeah, definitely, but that was yours also, no?
Yes.
So what was your project name?
Sir, I have no project, sir.
Okay. When you was in college, so there was some team, na? So maybe in your team there was some members, na? And definitely you have some projects. You did not get any projects, right?
Yes.
What are your strengths?
Sir, my strength is quicker learning, and everybody attends here.
Everybody?
Attends here.
Okay. What's your weaknesses?
Sir, weaknesses. Everybody believe me. Then everybody hot with me.
Okay. Ramesh, you need to improve more English. Okay, your communication need to more. Okay, because I'm not able to understand.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Okay, thank you so much, Ramesh. But you need to improve. I want in next week much improvements. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, great. Now come with after that Kiran on your mic. Kiran.
Hello, sir.
Yes, Kiran. Kiran.
Hi, sir.
Hi. Kiran, introduce yourself.
My name is Kiran. I have completed my BE in 2018. I have currently working in a civil site engineer in Bangalore, Kamis Dreamland Private Limited.
Okay. Why you want to came from BIM from site to BIM?
In BIM, in future in BIM growth is there, sir. That's why, sir.
So there is no growth in site.
No, sir. Site there is a many problems over time, not timing in properly.
In
That's
my company, there is also the same things. Sometimes you need to do the part time extra
No, sir.
times.
Many extra time weekly once or two times we can manage, sir. Daily we can't make, sir. That's why.
Okay, so your problem is extra times, right?
Yes, sir.
And otherwise, you like the site engineering job?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so you want some job where times are fixed.
Yes, sir.
You can't say like this, okay? Because when you say like this, so this is impact is not good. You can just say
Okay.
I was inside, I learned how to execute the things. Now the time I can learn these things all in digital platforms. For that I just chose the BIM.
Okay, sir.
मैंने साइट पर किया, एजुकेशन सीख लिया है, अब मैं उसको एजुकेशन को सॉफ्टवेयर इंडस्ट्रीज में या फिर डिजिटल प्लेटफॉर्म पे देखना चाहता हूँ. एंड आई थिंक आई कैन डू मोर फ्लेक्सिबल बिकॉज आई हैव एक्सपीरियंस ऑफ एजुकेशंस, राइट? तो
Yes.
उस एक्सपीरियंस को बुरा मत बोलो, उसको पॉजिटिव लेके आओ.
Okay, sir.
ओके किरण, व्हाई शुड आई हायर यू?
I am a good team player, sir, and quick learner.
Okay, and what's your weaknesses?
My weakness is whenever my colleagues are joking, I will laugh very loudly, sir. That's why.
Oh, okay. What was your project in your college?
Progressive collapse of multi-storage building by using ETAP, sir.
Progressive
I,
college. Okay, for
sir.
that I think you use the mass source also.
No, sir. Only ETAPs by using ETAPs.
In Italian there is a term mass source.
Yes, sir. I forgot that software in last
Okay, you
4 years.
pass out here 16, 18.
2018, sir.
18.
18.
After that you forget the things what was there, right? Okay,
Yes, sir.
so right now you learn the software AutoCAD, right?
Yes, sir.
What is escrow account?
Sir.
Escrow account. In
Destroy.
escrow account in RERA.
Destroy count. I am not
Escrow,
remembering,
escrow,
sir.
escrow. ES.
Pro-
You heard first time?
Yes, sir.
It's not attending the lectures, that was RERA lectures. Okay, and what is building line?
Building line, within that building line, we can construct our house after the building line only, sir. We can, for future road development, we can leave that area above properly line exact to the building line.
Correct. What is the objective of building by law?
Objectives of building bylaws in a plot, how many setback distances like that we can provide using by building bylaws.
Okay. What is civil engineering?
Sir?
What is civil engineering?
What is civil?
Engineering.
Civil engineering is a mother of all engineering departments. Civil engineering we can do infrastructure works like we are the. Sorry, how can I express?
That is most important, na? So try to recall that things, okay? I'm not going to depress you. I'm just a mirror. I'm just trying to show you what you are and what you need to do.
Okay.
Okay. So try to prepare next time. Try to give the right answers.
Okay, sir.
Okay, good. Now come with Kiran. After Kiran, the visitors. Saif Ali. Saif Ali, are you comfortable now? Saif Ali.
Yes, sir. Good evening, sir.
Good evening. Saif Ali, what was your project in college?
Sir, I am pursuing fourth year in college.
Okay.
7th semester.
From which college?
Sir, in location in Bhopal, RGB University, Trinity Institute.
Trinity is in Bhopal also?
Yes, sir. Trinity Institute, RGB University combined to Trinity Institute.
That is in Pune also.
Okay,
Trinity,
sir.
right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. Yeah, what you said?
What, sir?
You said something, na? Okay, what was your project in college? Because you're in final years.
Yes, sir. Sir, now I not do any project, but major project tomorrow. My major project is a pavement designs.
Are you comfortable to change that or it is fixed?
So it is changes, sir, and in 8th semester.
Okay, in 8th semester you're going to change, right?
Yes, sir.
Try to take some projects related to buildings.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
I think, sir, green building choices.
Yes, that will be helpful for your job.
Yes, sir.
Okay. What is green buildings?
Sir, green building is very useful as per environment and as per countries of India in very population.
But what is? Hello? I think it's not audible now. Hello?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, I speaking, sir.
Yes. I said, what is green buildings? You know what green concrete?
Sir, it is a yes, I have no idea about green concrete.
You don't have idea what?
But sir, we know it is use. Yes, sir.
Yes. Continue. What unit? Just
Sir,
explain.
but I know about green concrete because it is using for construction purpose.
Correct. It is for construction purpose, right? Okay. What is building by law?
Sir, it's useful for. Sir, I have not preparation about building bylaws. Sir.
Okay. What do you know about AutoCAD?
Sir, some basic knowledge I have in
Explain.
AutoCAD.
What do you know about AutoCAD?
So AutoCAD is a draft. AutoCAD is a draftman's and making for easily designers, sir.
Okay.
And a very fast work in AutoCAD.
Okay. What are the types of circles in AutoCAD? Last question from you.
Yes, sir. There are 6 types of circle in AutoCAD, sir.
Name?
Sir, circle 10 radius and circle 2 point circle 3 point circle. Sir, I know about only this.
Okay. Thank you so much, Mr. Saif. But I think you understand that there are some things you need to improve, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Try to improve. Next week, I want good improvement as compared to.
Yes, sir. I will go improve, sir.
Go.
Next week.
Okay. Akbar. Akbar, are you audible now?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Introduce yourself.
Yes, sir. Good evening, sir. Myself, Shahryar Akbar. I am BTech in Civil Engineering. I completed my graduation in 2017. After that, I co-founded a startup, which I run for next 3 years. It was until the outbreak of COVID that I had to discontinue my startup, or rather, I would say I shifted my focus from my startup. Then I decided to prepare for civil services, in which I gave 1.5 year, and I I took my first attempt in 21, but somehow I did not make it to prelims. Then after that I continued my preparation, but this time I was focusing in state civil services, which couple of exam I gave, in which one of the exam result is still awaited in West Bengal. And after that, I was trying to shift my focus from all this, because I was not getting any positive result. So right now I'm much focused in my civil domain, and I first decided to go back to site engineering. As a site engineer, I just wanted to take job, but for me, I thought it's too late for me to join, because even if I join now, I will be working as a fresher. So I decided to come in BIM. I'm looking forward for it.
Okay. Yes, story is okay, but introduction as per company standard, this is wrong. Okay. What you trying to show? I was not getting any correct positions. That's why I chose BIM. Okay.
No, sir, it's not like that. Actually, sir,
It's
it
so like
suits
this.
my it suits my field of interest, because I'm kind of person who wants to get my hands on couple of softwares and planning, and that was the actual main reason I did not join for as a site engineer after when I passed out from college, because I did not wanted to join in job which is like a site job. So that was the thing, and also it also caters my field of creativity, where I am more interested. That's why I you know um, started my business startup, because In that, I was pursuing my field of creativity. So,
Correct.
in the same line, I'm seeing BIM also. Uh, so that's all, sir.
See what happens, Sarer. There is some things like when you just mention here startup. Okay. So what companies think? Just think about the companies. Okay. What companies thinks? If I train this person, he definitely going to try again his own startup, and maybe that startup is related to their competition level company.
Okay, sir.
Got it. So when you just say कि, okay, I'm just going to start like definitely I left my startup because of these failures. Okay, after that if you try to show something like much more about your startup, that mean कि कहीं ना कहीं भी तुम्हारे दिमाग में वो startup चल रहा है.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so try to be clear कि okay, what will be my answer? What's your pass out year? 16,
Sorry, sir?
17. Pass out year?
17.
17. Okay. After 17, it's not like very much big time. So you can just say like, okay, I'll just go through with one startup. Okay, which one started
Yes,
by my friends. Okay, I was not colleague. I
Okay.
was not in that.
Okay.
Okay, which was started by my friends, but like when I was just employees over there. But after certain periods, after 3 years, the startup was failed. So he just closed the company. तो इसकी वजह से क्या हुआ,
Yes,
मेरे
sir.
पास डॉक्यूमेंट नहीं है. क्लियर हो गया.
Yes, sir.
ठीक है. अब क्या होगा, नेक्स्ट यू कैन से कि आफ्टर दैट लाइक आई जस्ट ट्राई टू फाइंड सम जॉब्स, बट ड्यू टू लॉकडाउन्स आई डिड नॉट गेट द राइट जॉब. अब देखो कंपनी के
Yes, sir.
पर्सपेक्टिव से बोलो चीज़ों को.
Yes, sir.
ठीक है. यू आर नॉट द पर्सन जो अभी क्या बोलते हैं, अपनी स्टोरी नहीं सुना सकते हम. कंपनी को जो कंपनी को चाहिए वो स्टोरी सुनाना है. आफ्टर दैट देयर वाज लॉकडाउन्स, आई डिड नॉट गेट द right jobs for that particular, and after that I just started my internship with Unique Civil. I thought this is the right place where I can start my career in BIM, and
Yes,
when I was go through with BIM, so I just saw there is lots of opportunity to learn new things in BIMs. ऐसा बोलना है.
Yes, sir.
अब गवर्नमेंट जॉब भी खत्म हो गया यहाँ से. ठीक है. और वो जो स्टार्टअप था वो भी खत्म हो गया. कोई टेंशन नहीं है, जॉब के लिए अभी तुम क्लियर हो गए हो.
Yes, sir.
सो थोड़ा मेहनत तुमको ज़्यादा करना पड़ेगा एज कम्पेयर टू अदर्स.
Okay, sir. Okay,
ठीक
sir.
है. ये हमेशा होता है, जितना गैप उतना ज़्यादा मेहनत. एवरीवन. ओके सर यार, व्हाट्स योर वीकनेस?
Sir, my weakness is uh, when I have some target or goal in my mind, short-term target of my day or a week. I'm too much engrossed in my work that I lose my focus to um, look around towards friends and family. So sometimes I sound rude. I become rude. So I need to keep a good balance in both my professional and personal life. So there I like.
What's your hobby?
So my sorry, sir. Sir, my hobby is reading books and listening to music.
Last time which book you read?
So I recently completed 2 books because I read. I like to read parallelly. So one of the book was, excuse me, sir.
Take your time. If you're not comfortable, then take your time.
Yes, sir. So one of the book is Destiny Disrupted, and another one is Adultery by Paulo Coelho. So
Okay.
these 2 books
Paulo
I
Coelho is the good
finished.
writer. I think I just wrote some
Yes.
books of them, but I don't remember right now. Okay, great. What's your selling expectations, sir?
Sir, salary expectation, as per industrial norms, anywhere between 20 and 30.
Okay. When you just say कि as per industry norms, you finished.
Okay, sir.
Now it's
Okay,
up to that second persons. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Thank you so much, sir. You need to improve.
Thank you.
Some things we'll discuss about that later, also in brief.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Okay. Now come with Shashi, and after Shashi, Soumyak.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening, Shashi. Shashi, tell me something about yourself you should not mention in your resume.
Sir, I love to go gym and traveling.
Gym and travelings.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
I'm not mention this in my resume.
Okay, great. Last time where you traveled?
Goa, sir.
Goa. Okay, which beach?
Kalungat Beach, sir.
Kalinga
Kalungat
Beach,
Beach, Baga Beach.
Baga Beach. How long
Yes.
from you travel by from where you are living right now?
Right now, I'm living in sir Satara district. Why?
Okay. So
From
you travel by train or by bus?
no sir, we travel in car
Okay.
from here 450 kilometers.
So you travel in groups.
Yes, sir.
Okay, great. Shashi, introduce yourself.
First of all, thank you so much, sir, for giving me this opportunity. My name is Shashikant Sare, and I'm from Bilaspur, Chhattisgarh. I completed my graduation from JK Institute of Engineering in 2020, and recently I worked in a construction company. The company is in Pune, but the one site here, Y Satara district, here one site in MIDC.
MIDC.
Here I working. Yes, sir.
Okay, so here you're working. What's your job responsibilities over there?
Sir, here actually I have to manage all the site because there is no project manager and no supervisor. I have to manage all the things about electricity, water, or BBS part, or every material issue, labor issue, means management of whole site, sir.
So what's your job profile?
Sir, actually as a site engineer, I'm as a site engineer, but my work is as a like a supervisor.
Okay. Why you want to came from super site engineering to BIM?
Actually, sir, I know there is a lot of platforms in BIM and good opportunities and great technology. I want to play with a technology and sir, great salary packages here. That's why, sir.
Okay. Why I'm asking, मैं क्यों पूछ रहा हूँ, सबसे लगभग पूछ रहा हूँ, because this question is fixed. Okay, everyone is going to ask. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So try to prepare as much as good answers.
Yes, sir.
What's your weaknesses, Sachin?
Sir, I have a little bit anger issue because sometimes when I am inside, so due to some labors or any pressure, I have some anger issue, sir.
Okay. So, Sashi, like you done your 8 lectures you completed?
No, sir, because of last few days, I have a lot of work in company because of client pressure. That's why, sir, we have to work at night. That's why, sir, I able not attending last 3 lectures.
Try to
But sir, now I am, sir, fully able to cover all the lectures.
So today you can finish that?
Yes, sir. Today I finish all the lectures, sir.
Okay. Is it possible in one day you finish the 3 lectures?
Yes, sir. Today and tomorrow I have full day to cover this.
Yes, target वैसा बनाओ जो flexible हो. Okay, great. So, what you pass out year 2020,
sir.
2020. What's your project in college?
Sir, actually I am not done any project in college because
Yes.
Because I not go so much to college.
Okay, कोई बात नहीं. I'll just tell you the project name. You can just mention that project in your mind. Also, you can just tell to interviewer. Don't say कि I did not get any projects. Okay?
Okay.
Okay. Thank you so much, Mr. Sashi. Okay. Nice to talk with you.
Thank you.
Now come with Mr. Soumya.
Yes, sir.
Soumya, you are the last, I think. If anyone कोई और रह गया तो प्लीज़ कमेंट कर देना. और कौन बोल रहा है सर? ओके, मयूर. यस मयूर. अरे मयूर, तुम्हारा तो आवाज़ का प्रॉब्लम था. ठीक, कोई बात नहीं. थैंक यू. Soumya, introduce yourself.
Sir, thank you for giving me this opportunity for this interview. My name is Soumya Patnaik. I am basically from Odisha. I have completed my BTech from Bir Surendra Sai University of Technology in 2016. After that, I have worked for 2 years in a LED light manufacturing company. After that, for 3 years, I worked in an EPC company as a QA/QC engineer. Currently, I have left my job and I am preparing for this BIM courses, and I'm looking to join your company, sir.
Okay, great. Your pass out year, what you mentioned here, Somik? Pass out
Sir,
year?
2016.
2016. And after that, your job responsibility, you continue working over there?
No, sir, there was 1 year gap in which I was preparing for government exams, but couldn't clear any. That's why I started my job.
Okay, so your current job responsibilities over there?
I was working as a QA engineer at site. We were basically our job was to erect towers, that's high voltage power transmission lines in Karnataka. My job there was to mainly maintain quality at site, to train each and every individual, every supervisors, or any new if any new gang arrives at our site, then my responsibility was to train them on all quality aspects. I have to maintain different quality registers and formats on my work, and also to conduct timely testing of materials, quality testing of materials, and to also to sometimes do site audits.
Okay.
These were some of my responsibilities, sir.
Great. That's okay. So, definitely working this from a long time, so definitely you have lots of job responsibilities over there. Now you're comfortable for Pan India, or you're looking job in your?
Yes, sir. I'm comfortable Pan India, sir.
You're looking for Pan India because my company is going to hire the person who is comfortable for traveling also.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so in my company there is 2 years bond. Are you comfortable for 2 years bonds?
Sir, if the learning curve is good, sir, if I get to learn new things, then it's not a problem for me, sir.
Correct, very good. Okay, Soumyak, where you want to see yourself in next 3 years?
In next 3 years, I would like to see myself in a position of BIM coordinator at least. For in 3 years, I would like to learn as much as I could about this BIM industries and as many softwares as I could, sir.
Very good, very good. What's your weaknesses, Soumyak?
My weaknesses, sir, I'm emotional and slightly gullible. I find it difficult to say no to anyone, but I'm working on it, sir. How to manage and how to say no to someone.
Okay. You done all your AutoCAD isometric classes also?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. So in isometrics, there are some rules. Can you give me any 2 to 3 rules?
Sir, in isometric, we can only draw in three directions. That is isometric, right, left, and top. In isometric, we cannot use arc or anything or circle. We have to only use isocircle. That we can access by using ellipse command. And after ellipse, right click, we can use isocircle. Also, sir, some other rules are there, like we can't turn off ortho on that, sir. We have to always keep ortho on while working in isometric drawings.
Very good. Excellent, actually. Excellent. Very good. Thank you so much, Soumyak. You have a nice recalling powers. Good.
Thank you, sir.
Okay. Now, after this, Mayur, and after Mayur, Sandesh. Mayur, just on your mic.
हेलो, गुड इवनिंग सर.
गुड इवनिंग, गुड इवनिंग. उस समय तुम्हारा लगा मुझे पॉसिबल नहीं होगा, मैं उसके बाद तुम्हारा नंबर ही आगे चला गया. Okay.
Yes, no issue.
Mayur, introduce yourself.
Good evening, sir. First of all, thank you for giving me this opportunity to introduce myself. My name is Mayur Karat. I have completed my BE Civil in SB Patil College of Engineering, Indapur. Then I am currently working in Vilas Javadekar Developers in Pune. It's a construction firm as a junior engineer in finishing area.
Okay. Any technical skills you have, Mayur?
Yes, sir.
What do you know?
Technical skills means currently I am working in finishing work. That is after completing RCC work, then from gypsum plaster to tile working, painting, all finishing works with respect to positions.
Okay.
Standard plaster.
Okay, thank you. Standard plaster thickness, how
Yes.
much we provide? Plaster thickness.
Now I'm my project. I'm 12 to 15 in gypsum plaster.
12 to 15
Gypsum plaster thickness.
What is the
15
mixed
mm.
proportion of M20?
M20 1:1 1.5:3.
Sure.
Yes.
What is the density of steel?
Steel 7850 kg.
Kg per centimeter or per meter?
Per meter, sir.
Per meter.
Yes.
Per someone is supporting you?
Not sure. But
Okay.
7850 figure पता है. Yes.
Okay. So Mike, just wait. I'll give you for everyone the like your feedbacks. Okay. This is 750 kg per meter cube. Okay. Kg per meter cube.
Yes.
What is the density of brick?
1600
1600.
00
What is the density
conventional
of,
brick.
what is the density of water?
1000
What?
kilonewton per m cube.
Yes. Kilonewton not possible. Kg per meter cube.
Yes.
Okay. Okay. Mayur, what's your hobby?
My hobby is trekking.
Trekkings.
Yes.
Okay. What was your project in your college?
Designing, planning, and estimation and costing of a restaurant cum lodge.
Restaurant
building.
come laws. Very good. Good
Lodge.
topics.
Yes, sir.
Okay, great. If anyone has like topics related to buildings, it is useful for your companies. Okay, thank you so much, Mayur. And we'll discuss about your project in next mocks. Okay, in deep. Okay. Okay, good.
Okay.
Now come with Sandesh.
Thank you so much, sir.
Okay, most welcome. Sandesh.
Hello, sir.
Yes.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening, good evening. Sandesh, comfortable for interview right now?
Yes, sir.
ओके ठीक. संदेश सबसे लास्ट में रह गया. ठीक है, ये सबसे पास में है. ओके. सो संदेश, इंट्रोड्यूस योरसेल्फ.
Hello, sir. My name is Sandesh Devi. I lived in Pune, and I have completed my BRs in 2022 from Trinity College of Architecture.
Okay, you completed from Trinity.
Yes, sir.
You pass out year
2022.
2022. What was your last semester subjects?
Those were, sir, designing and thesis topic.
There was some subjects, na?
No, sir. Last year we have only one subject per year, and first year I have done internship in Mumbai.
Okay.
And in second year I have completed my thesis project.
Okay, great. So what was the topic of your thesis?
My topic was agricultural resort.
Agriculture resorts. Okay, great. How many lectures you completed in AutoCAD?
Actually, I was a bit busy with completion of my sites, interior sites. So I have completed first 3 lectures. Will complete remaining lectures in this.
Faster. Okay. Otherwise, if you just come back, you can't get the covers, no?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Sure.
Okay, so you can do that. So what you learned in lecture number 3? You remember that?
Actually, it was a bit late to see that lecture. I was on site in Nigadi.
Okay.
So was not able to watch it thoroughly.
Okay.
I repeat all those lectures once I get free.
Yes.
December.
Try to create as soon as possible. Otherwise, you will be late, right?
Yes, sir.
So that means you don't know about RERA also.
I have little bit knowledge about
No, from lectures.
the lectures. Yes, sir. I have little bit knowledge about each and every topic as we are learning it from beginning in our
Yes,
architectures,
correct.
but don't know it deeply.
Okay, so try to know about that, Sandesh. Okay, what is the use of dynamic input command?
Sorry, sir.
Dynamic input command in AutoCAD.
Sorry, sir. I don't know in deep.
Okay, what's your strength?
Sir, my strength is I can handle each and every type of clients and can convert them for my uh, projects.
Okay, that is good skills. You can convince anyone easily. You can just say, I can convince anyone easily. Right? This is your strength. What's your weaknesses?
Uh, Actually, my weakness is I am a less listener. Means I can't listen someone for a long period,
Okay.
and I am also getting overcome through it
If you're not a
these days.
listener, that means you're not good speaker also.
Yes, sir.
Okay, if anyone is not
Uh,
a good listener,
I'm
they're
little
not
bit
speaker.
shy. I'm little bit shy. So it
Yes, it may be because of your shyness. Okay, but if you came in BIM industries, definitely you need to represent your projects also in front of many clients from MNCs, from foreign, from India. So definitely you need to be more professional for that, right? Okay. Sandesh, where you want to see yourself in next 5 years?
I want to be a good designer with great knowledge of each and everything and be on top in the market.
Okay, great. Thank you so much, Mr. Sandesh. But you must need to complete your previous lectures so that we can discuss in brief, na?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, great. Thank you so much. Now we'll finish the things and now I'm just going to explain your how much everyone get the marks. कितना सबने marks पाया हुआ है एक आपको रिव्यू बता देता हूँ. कहाँ पे आपको नीड है वर्क करने की वो बता देता हूँ. चिराग ने बहुत अच्छा परफॉर्म किया. ही गॉट द 5.5 आउट ऑफ 10. और हर्षिता बहुत अच्छा परफॉर्म की. हर्षिता का भी कम्युनिकेशन काफ़ी अच्छा था. सी गॉट 6. वस्वराज ऑल्सो हैज़ अ गुड कम्युनिकेशन स्किल्स, सो ही गॉट 5. तो ये तीनों बहुत अच्छा किए. कार्तिक गॉट 3.5. कार्तिक तो थोड़ा सा टेक्निकल पे आपको काम करना पड़ेगा. केदार गॉट 4.5. कम्युनिकेशन पे केदार थोड़ा सा और काम कर लो, अच्छा हो जाएगा. लोकेश गॉट 6.5. ही इज़ गुड, सो इन्होंने अच्छा परफॉर्म किया. विपुल गॉट 6. ही उन्होंने भी अच्छा किया. प्रज्ञा गॉट 5 एंड नो प्रज्ञा गॉट 4. एक नंबर बाद में माइनस हो गया ड्यू टू टेक्निकल आंसर्स. प्रणय 5 मार्क्स. 5 जिसका है उसका अप टू द मार्क है. रमेश यू गॉट 1 ड्यू टू योर कम्युनिकेशन. बहुत ज़्यादा आपको इंप्रूव करने की जरूरत पड़ेगी दोस्त अगर इंप्रूव करना है. संदेश गॉट 6, संदीप गॉट 6. किरण गॉट 4. सैफ गॉट 3, सैफ अली. एंड सहवान अकबर गॉट 4. शशि गॉट 5. सौम्य गॉट 5 + 4 + 1 6, टोटल 6 सौम्य. एंड मयूर गॉट 4 एंड संदेश गॉट 3. जिसको भी 5 मिले हैं इसका मतलब कि उनका सही चल रहा है. ठीक है, 5 के नीचे है तो क्यों नीचे है बस आप समझ जाओ. कई लोगों का मेन रीज़न है कम्युनिकेशन, इसलिए कम्युनिकेशन की क्लासेस को कभी भी मिस मत करो. कम्युनिकेशन की क्लासेस को मिस करोगे तो आपका लॉस हो जाएगा, ये फिक्स है. ठीक है. नाउ एनीवन वांट टू से समथिंग, कोई कुछ कहना चाहता है क्या? ठीक है. और अभी आपका जो असाइनमेंट्स है वो मैं आपको ग्रुप के अंदर शेयर कर दे रहा हूँ. असाइनमेंट्स है आपको लेक्चर नंबर 9 वॉच करना है और लेक्चर नंबर 9 वॉच करने के बाद आपको एक ड्राइंग बनानी है आइसोमेट्रिक की. 2 ड्राइंग है छोटी छोटी, मैं ग्रुप में शेयर कर दे रहा हूँ. बस उतना बनाना है बस. और कल हम डाउट लेक्चर रखेंगे जिसमें आपको जो पूछना रहेगा आप तक के सारे ऑटोकैड के डाउट्स आप कल पूछ सकते हो. प्लस पुराना असाइनमेंट्स और कल का असाइनमेंट एक साथ चेक हो जाएगा आपका. और हाँ, कल सबको अपनी एक्सेल सीट भी शेयर करनी है कि मैंने लास्ट वीक में किया क्या है. तो एवरीवन आप सबको एक्सेल सीट अपनी कल के शेयर कर दे. क्यों लास्ट वीक का, इस वीक का नहीं करना है. लास्ट वीक का एक्सेल सीट शेयर कर देना है पहली चीज़. लेक्चर नंबर 9 तक सब लोग लगभग अचीव कर लोगे। लेक्चर नंबर 9 और 2 आइसोमेट्रिक की ड्राइंग बस। हाँ जी, कुछ बोलना चाह रहे हैं प्रणय आप?
हेलो सर।
हाँ जी प्रणय बोलो।
हाँ सर, वो 2 दिन से कम्युनिकेशन बैचेस का लिंक नहीं आया था सर गूगल मीट पे। वो
कौन से बैचेस का? अच्छा, कम्युनिकेशन का क्या? सैटरडे संडे नहीं रहता ना, मंडे टू
हाँ हाँ,
फ्राइडे।
ओके। और सर आइसोमेट्रिक का है ना, किया
हाँ
हूँ, मेल भी किया है मैंने।
ओके।
थोड़ा बहुत उसमें सर कंफ्यूजन हो रहा है, मतलब।
कल हम लोग का डाउट लेक्चर ही है, तो कल हम लोग
यस
डीप
सर।
में डाउट्स एक्सेस करेंगे।
ओके सर, ओके।
ठीक है,
बाय।
चलो सबको
यस।
गुड नाइट, बाय बाय, एंड विल डिस्कस टुमारो ऑल द डाउट्स, जो भी आपके डाउट्स हैं। जिनका कम्युनिकेशन स्ट्रांग नहीं है, प्लीज़ डू द वर्क ऑन कम्युनिकेशंस, अदर थिंग्स विल डिस्कस टुमारो। ठीक है, मैं असाइनमेंट्स ग्रुप के अंदर शेयर कर दे रहा हूँ। चलो बाय बाय।